Hello and welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. I am back with the new Photoshop quick tutorial episode number 5. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create dispersion effect in Photoshop. Select the image 1 and duplicate it and name it image 2. Now select image 1, then go to the filter option and click on liquify. Now stretch the image and hit OK. Add a mask to image 1 layer, then press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now select image 1, then select texture brush preset and paint on it. Now select image 2 layer and add mask to it. Take a brush and paint over here. Change the blending mode of image 1 layer from normal to linear dodge. Now duplicate the image 1 layer to make it more brighter. Now add a motion, go to filter option, then select blur and click on motion blur, adjust the angle and hit OK. So this is how you can also create dispersion effect easily. I hope you have enjoyed quick tutorial episode number 5. Please do like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content. Bye bye for now. I will meet you in the next video.